Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Oh my god, I cannot wait to share this recipe with you. I'm super excited to share this recipe. This is called Katori Chaat. Katori is nothing but the bowl shape, as you can see here. The bowl and chaat is all the stuffing inside. So this is a special dish for me, and I always love chaat, but this Katori chaat is something out of this world. This is a must-do recipe in your kitchen. Let's start with the ingredients. For chatpata, tasty katori chaat, we need all these ingredients. Let's start with 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, approximately half cup of water. This is lukewarm water, half tablespoon of carom seeds, which is ajwain, half teaspoon of salt, and some oil for making the dough. Let's move on to the spicy chatpata chaat material. So I have 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt as per your taste. For garnishing, we need save, and I have store-bought papdi, which I just crumbled it here just for garnishing. I have some cucumber chopped here. This is purely optional, but I like the cucumber taste in the chaat. Boiled potatoes, approximately 2. I have boiled them and chopped here. This is 1.5 cups of chickpeas. I have soaked it for 4 hours and pressure cooked it on about 4 to 5 whistles and simmered it for 10 minutes. And I have also added salt in it just for that beautiful salty flavor. Chopped tomato, chopped onion, and chopped coriander. This is all for garnishing. And I have yogurt. I've added some of sugar because my yogurt was a little sour. So yogurt mixture here, green chutney and tamarind chutney. So let's start with making the katori or the dough. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, carom seeds or ajwain seeds. Just crush it on your palms, just like this, just for that beautiful flavor. Salt and couple tablespoons of oil, just to get the crispiness to the dough. So let's mix this well. Make sure all these ingredients are well combined before you add water. Okay, so once you see the dough is forming just like this, then slowly add lukewarm water. Just like how we make the dough for samosas. We have to knead this dough really nicely. Don't add too much water. I have already taken 1/4 cup, though I said half cup. We don't need that much. Couple tablespoons. And let this dough rest for about 15 minutes. Alright. As you can see, my hands are clear. Dough is well formed. So keep it covered and let it sit for 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes are done. Let's see. The dough is all set. I'm going to use my hands to knead this well again. Just like so. So this is the katori, which is a steel bowl. So katori is bowl in Hindi. So this is the shape we are going to get to this dough. So that's why it's called Katori Chaat. Interesting and unique recipe. So get around lemon sized ball from the dough. Dip it in all-purpose flour. Roll it. Make sure it's not too big. Just roll it to like puri size, how we make puris. And my oil in the pan is heating on the stove. Alright, so this is the shape we need. Oil in a separate bowl and place it on the back of this katori or bowl. Just like so. Alright, now place the dough which we did and stick it to the katori. If you see anything extra, you can just cut it, but my shape looks perfect here. As you can see, if there are like uneven joints, just make sure you cover it and stick it just like so. I have a fork here. Puncture or place some holes with the fork so that it won't puff up when we fry. We want this hollow so that we can add the chaat stuffing in here. So nothing much, easy, but don't forget this step. This is a very important step. Okay, so just randomly, no design, nothing, just random pulls. If you have some extra dough left, after pressing this gently like this, hold it inside just like that. Okay, and then press it and cut it from inside. You see? So now the extra portion is, so I'm going to slide this katori in the hot oil very slowly. Make sure your oil is hot enough to fry them. You have to be very careful here. Once you see the katori is coming out, make sure the oil of that katori, just pour it in. Beautiful. Okay, so here are my boiled chickpeas. Some spices here. Let's add garam masala powder, red chili powder, and some of the chaat masala. And I'm going to add just a little more salt. We'll combine this. Add some of the potatoes, cucumber, some onion, and some tomato. Let's add some coriander for flavoring. Mix this well. An important step of this recipe. So as you can see, we have this katori ready. Add some chaat that we just made. This is the fun part. Even kids enjoy this. So make sure if your kids, involve them in this activity. Add some yogurt. As I told you, I have added some sugar in it because I like it little sweet. Tamarind and dates chutney. Just like this. If you like some green chutney, do add that. Look at this, how beautiful this already looks. If you like more potatoes, just add more potatoes. For garnishing, some cucumber, some fresh tomato, onion, and coriander. Oh wow, look at this. You can just keep adding some more crispiness. So I've added crushed puris here, and finally top it up with the thin save. Again, if you want to add more spices, more chaat masala on top of it, you can do so. And look at this. Wow. Isn't this look so beautiful? I am so tempted to eat this right now. Look at this. Wow. Amazing, amazing. And look at this mouth-watering chaat which is made in heaven. This is so tempting, so delicious snack that you can eat in any time of the day. Literally, I am so ready to eat this right now, and I cannot extend this video any longer because this looks so tempting. So my Katori Chaat is ready, and I hope you like this recipe. Something different, something unique, and so easy to make. So thank you so much, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and share your feedback, comments. I love to hear that. I read your comments on YouTube, so thank you so much for that. And if you're not subscribed yet, I'm sure you're gonna subscribe after seeing this. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time. Bye bye.